Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to delete all your TikTok videos at once on Android. Well, technically we're going to hide them so only you can see them, which is the closest thing to bulk deleting on TikTok. Let's jump in. Alright, first thing, open the TikTok app on your Android phone. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right to go to your profile page. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. This opens your menu with a bunch of options. Okay, tap on Settings and Privacy at the top. You'll see different categories here for managing your account. Here's the thing. Scroll down until you find Content and Display or Activity section. Under that section, tap on Activity Center. This is where you can manage all your posts. Now, scroll down a bit and look for Manage Post Visibility or Select Multiple Posts. Tap on that. You'll see all your TikTok videos listed here. At the top, tap on Select All or select each video manually to mark every single video you've posted. All your videos will now have check marks next to them. Then tap Next at the bottom. You'll see visibility options. Select Only You or Private and tap Update. What this does is it makes all your videos invisible to everyone except you. Your followers and friends won't be able to see any of them anymore. And that's it. All your TikTok videos are now hidden from everyone. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.